YouTube? This is Mike back from another video. Today's video is I'm gonna do a little buffing. I'm gonna teach you the tricks and tips on how to buff use a rotary with the wool pad. And right here you can tell it's been wet sanded. Look a little close, see all the paint. It's been sanded. So the first thing I want to do, you can do is just tape this off if you're not comfortable with using a rotary. So let me set this down real quick. Let's get you some masking tape. Get the 3M, green, purple, whatever color. Get this nice and all right. Let's line it up. If you got a little bend, you know what I mean, just do the straight right here, then do the second. This tape will only add a good bend to it. It's not gotta be perfect. And if you want to do around the handle, you do around the handle. All I do is take a couple pieces like this. Get it flat on there. As long as it ain't wet, it'll stick right in the crease. So put it on top around the door handle. There, because I'm some buffing right here, so I don't need it right there. Alright. I got the rotary, got the DeWalt, and I got the wool pad. It's by High Buff, from my local chemical guy. High Buff wool pad. Pile of wool. Okay, and I'm using McGuire's 110. First thing you want to do is just shake it up. Shake it up a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and prime the pad a little bit. And the first thing you do when you use the rotary, you always want to start on 600 if you're not comfortable. You won't burn with 600. When you go on 600, it goes. See, it goes all the way up to 35, which you really use 35 when using the rotaries. The highest I go is about 18. All right, so I'm gonna start off on 600 and show you guys. What I do is smear it out. Okay. This is a new pad, so it's always on new pads. You don't have a lot of wool fling up, or even if it's a okay. Now let's go ahead and start. I'm going to start on 600 and do it slowly. If you're not comfortable, like I said, start on 600 and just get used to the machine, the weight of it, and the way it moves. And you never want to ride an edge, but that's how you do burn. So when there's a little tip, when you come up on the edge, lift up a little bit. So like this, like this, lift up, go down, lift up, like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this removed. I'm gonna go up to a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the scratches, the wet sand marks. So I'm gonna move up to 1,000. And when you're buffing, hold it up to the top, you can get the one at the side, have it flat until you get used to the machine, then you can do all your little hold it up and side to side. Alright, wipe her down. You always want to keep it flat. Let me show you this with the little, just that little bit did. That turned out good, shiny. All right. I'm gonna go hit this with the wool. You can tell the paint that they'll turn. Let me hit this one more time with the wool pad, and I'll finish her up. Remember, just start on 600 and go slow. I went and hit it to 110. You can just tell, look at that, with that wool pad. So yeah, it's not much to it. A lot of people are scared of using the rotary. But like, you know, man, here's a little bit more oxidation right here, a little bit of wet sand. I think that's what, excuse me, not oxidation, it's wet sand. I'm gonna put a couple little dots on here, just give you a little couple more tips. All right, so first, remember, always put it on 600. Don't be scared. Just, you know what I mean? Just gotta get it. It's just everybody has that saying, "Oh, you burn paint, you burn paint." You ain't gonna burn it. You don't. If you sit there like this and hold one spot, going about 12,000 RPMs, you will burn it. But always continuously have it moving, back and forth. See, when I come up to the edge up here, I'm having it lift. When I'm coming up here, I have it at an angle. I'm not laying on the edge. I have it off. Look at that bad boy. Woo! She pretty. There ain't nothing to it. There's a little bit of swirls in it. But just look at the clarity of the clear coat. Once I use the DA and polish that, excuse me, I'll put my rotary down real quick. Sorry for the. Look how clean that is. You see the little swirls and stuff, but that'll come out. That's no problem. But remember what it looked like before. God, that clear coat looks good. You see right here too, even on like, I don't know if you can see, let me see something, back this up. All the hard water and oxidation. See all the water spots real etched in there? I'm gonna hit this once to show you something. Let me hit that. Chuck's already clean, so remember, make sure you always clean it first before you do any buffing. Now watch this. I'm gonna hit this real quick and watch the clear coat just come out. Rotary, I mean, a lot of people, like I said, a lot of people are scared, but rotary, man, it cuts your time in half when you're doing paint correction and stuff like that. Remember, when you come up to the edge, I'm coming up, I'm lifting. Never riding the edge. Look at the difference in that. I'm gonna hit it one more time. Let me show you. I always have it on about 1400, or to 16 the fast I go. Look at that. That looks good. I can hit with that DA and to make this look crystal clear coat. Remember all that hard water? It's gone. So yeah, it's not much to it. Like I said, the rotary start off slow, start off at 600. Let's do little test spots, taper corners, tape around everything where you're doing, and always, the key thing, always lift up when you come up to the edge. Never ride the edge. That's where the most spots people burn at when they begin. They'll ride the edge and they'll burn. Cause you gotta think, when they paint, that's the thinnest part of your, where you paint the thinnest part of the clear coat and everything where it paints at, where the corner's at, excuse me. So remember, never ride the edge. Well, just look at that. That just looks so, it's gone. I'll hit it with the DA here tomorrow and make this paint look good. Look at that. All right, guys. That's today's short little video on tricks and tips on how to use a rotary. Don't be scared. Just take your time. Get a test panel. Practice. It's a dying thing, man. People are forgetting about using the rotary, and they always it's just going straight to the DA. So I'm telling you, when you're doing paint correction and stuff like that, the rotary will cut time in half. You can tell right here where it's still oxidized. Look. Let me move this up. Let me move this light. Let's see it right here. Still wet sand marks right here. See how bad it was? And bam, cleared up. So yeah, it's a dying skill. Nobody wants to learn. Everybody's scared to burn paint and everything like that. Just pick it up and practice. I mean, worst you can do is burn paint. You know what I mean? I mean, just don't be scared. All right, guys. So remember, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll have more videos to come. Peace.